Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm about to disclose the part 2 of the almighty formula in flipping accounts. If you've been following me for a while, you should know that all my videos are an educative video. What I'm about to disclose here is something that I wish I knew when I was starting Forex trading. So if I'm starting Forex trading all over again, this is what I'm going to be doing in Forex trading. So now the first thing you're going to do is you need to focus on one pair. So choose any pair of your choice. It can be currency, it can be Euro USD, just stick to it. It can be gold. In my own case, I'm trading synthetic indices, so I'm focusing on V50 first series and volatility 75 first series as well. So as you all know that I trade volatility 75 first series, so I'm done backtesting volatility 75 first series. So I'm now using the same strategy to backtest V50 first series. Now in the process of backtesting, you have to learn these few things I want to mention. Number one, you need to understand the lowest loss size that can enter in any account size. So you should be able to know the loss size that can sit comfortably in a $5 account, in a $10 account, even in the $1,000 account. If you want to scale your account, you should know the loss size that should sit comfortably. So this can only be done through back testing, through rigorous back testing. So number two almighty formulas that you need to have in mind is you don't need to chase after anything. Just trade only pattern, candlestick patterns, meaning that is either you are trading head and shoulder pattern, or you are trading M formation, or you are trading double top, or you are trading double bottom, or even you are trading angle, ascending angle or descending angle. You just don't chase after don't chase after a trend. Just trade only these patterns. So number three almighty formula that you need to have in mind is always stick to the highest time frame. So if for instance now you want to sell Euro USD or you want to buy Euro USD, ensure you know what your H1 is doing. That means your 1 hour time frame, and then go over to your 15-minute time frame and get the same corresponding trend. So for instance, if you have an head and shoulder pattern which is showing you a sell on the 1 hour time frame, just go over to the 15-minute time frame and wait for a retracement that will give you, that's if you miss that sell, wait for a retracement that will give you that same sell on the 15-minute time frame, because market will always give or do discounts. Then you join, and then you are good to go. So this is the three golden rules that I wish I knew about. Now, after you have all these things in mind, you know the kind of loss size that should fit in every given position. Secondly, you don't chase after trend. You don't just chase after noise in the market. All you're trading is you're trading patterns. So once you see this pattern form, number three, just go lower to the lowest time frame, wait for a retracement, and then enter. Your winning rate should be very, very high. And then once you enter, you should be able to hold this trade very long. Don't just enter 50 pips, 60 pips, you go off. So if you enter my Telegram channel, you will see that I hold trade very, very long. Because when I see a certain pattern from the 1 hour time frame, I definitely know that that particular market will sell or buy, as the case might be, deeply. To buy or sell deeply. So I hold for a very long time, and that is how I grew my $100 to $200 to $700. I hold my $100 to $1,000. You can check my Telegram. I'll try my possible best to also display most of the results on this video so that you'll see them here. So this is how these are things that I wish I knew, that if I'm given an opportunity to start afresh, you get. But Of course, I'm not starting afresh. Instead, I'm moving higher and higher and higher again. So these are the things that we implement. So these are the 4 or 3 golden rules, the almighty formula that you need to know in Forex. Alright, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.